guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel Girl and Girl. So the exact timing that I'm shooting is it's exactly 8 o'clock in the morning, and I thought of giving a try to a vlog. So today I'm going to share with you a vlog. Obviously this is going to be a vlog and it is going to be about a day in my life. Yes, so there's nothing special about this vlog though, but yes, so there are just two things that I'm going to share with you. The first thing is obviously a day in my life, my household work, since I'm on my Ganesh break. So I thought like this would be a better opportunity for me to sharing a day in my life vlog. So yes, no, because after I start with my work I will not get time to share a vlog with you. So yes, so this is the reason I thought of giving a try to a vlog today. So yes, so today I'm going to share a day in my life with you. So yes, so let's begin. So I just woke up and I already got freshen up. I start my day with yoga. Since I'm on my break, I have changed my timing. So when I go to work, I usually start my day at 6 o'clock, with a yoga session. So 15 minutes of yoga and 15 minutes of meditation, that's all I do in the morning. Since working people, they don't get time, and since I also have to go through a lot of things to be done at home, so that's the reason I start with the yoga and the meditation with only 30 minutes. So yes, so since I'm on my break, I have changed the timing to a little bit less, because mornings are to be enjoyed. Seriously, they have to be enjoyed. So that's the reason I have changed my timing from 6 to 8. So yeah, so now it's exactly 8 o'clock and I have to do my yoga. So yes, let's go there. Okay guys, so I'm done with my yoga and I'm going to change my attire. Since this is my yoga attire, I'm going to change, get a bit freshen up. You can see the sweat on my face, so I'll just get freshen up and then I will see you guys. So, okay guys, so I've changed my dress, and okay, the next thing that I have to do is clean my room. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up with my room. Okay guys, so I have finished with my work almost, so now it's time for my breakfast. So let's go to the kitchen and prepare the breakfast. So for my breakfast, I'm having this omelette and bread, and also my favorite black tea. So I'll just have my breakfast and then I'll see you guys in some time. Guys, I have finished with my breakfast and I'll just finish with my household chores, a little bit of work. Before that, I'll show you the weather, guys. It is amazing today, though it's very hot, but the weather is very nice today. Guys, so I've already started preparing to prepare for lunch, and for lunch we are having rice. This is the typical Goan food. So yes, so I am preparing rice, and here is the rice that I have to prepare, and the water is boiling, so I'll just prepare that first. Okay guys, so by the time the rice gets ready, um, it usually takes 30 to 35 minutes to prepare the rice. Okay. Oh my god, it is very hot today. I don't know what is the reason. It was raining in the morning, and now it is very hot, totally very hot. Oh my god. Okay, so usually guys, I don't do anything much, when I'm on break, because the cases are rising again. The COVID cases are, yes, rising again, and it is not safe to go outside also. So without any work, you cannot just go out. So that's the reason, since we are working, we have got a family, and that is the reason I feel it is safe to be at home right now in this situation. So yes, that's the reason I usually don't go out until and unless I've got some important work to be done. So this is how my day always goes on with housework. Especially in the kitchen only, the time flies so fast. So yes, I have already kept rice to the, my curry is done. Goans usually eat rice, curry, fish, that's their staple food. Since now rice is getting prepared, by the time I just finish with my work. So this is the hand embroidery that I'm doing. Since I was on a break, I thought like why to waste time at home. So that's, I just love doing this, guys. So you can see this is the design that I'm preparing right now. I have also prepared one of the other thing. This is the thing that I prepared during the holidays only. So I'll just show you guys. So this is what I have prepared. So this is a beautiful dream catcher. Okay, and these are the cushion covers that I've made. I'll just give you a close look. So this is how the thing looks. So this is a hand embroidery that I have made during my holidays. Yes, so these are there are different designs. I mean, there are different colors that I have made. I'll just give you a look. So that I'll just show you guys so that you can also. So this is in the color of purple and yellow. This one was red and yellow. Okay, so these are the 5 cushion sets that I've made for me. The other one is pink and yellow. So this is how it looks. So the other one is blue and yellow. I don't know why, but I just choose this color, and this is one of my favorite color. You can see, guys, how bright this color looks. And yes, the other one is also blue, but this is the dark blue. Okay, so yes, so since I was free, I thought like I should give a try to this one, and this came out to be totally perfect. So yes, and this is the other thing and these are the pillow covers that I am preparing now. Okay, so it has got a huge work to be done. Okay, so you guys can see have got a very huge design that I have to complete, and by the time the rice is cooked well, I will just finish this off, guys. So guys, as I was telling about the weather, it is such an unpredictable day today, and it was such a sunny day, and right now it's raining. You should see this. So it is raining right now. So that was I was telling you about, because the weather keeps on changing here every minute it changes, and it is very difficult even to dry clothes. So since I have put some clothes for drying outside, suddenly it started raining, so I have to go and get the clothes back inside. Okay, so I'm continuing with this vlog in the afternoon. It's 2:15 p.m. right now. Okay, and it's time to have lunch. So as I've told you, the menu for today is fish, curry and rice, and for fish we have got sardines. Yes, so sardines. Almost the lunch is ready, so I'm going to have my lunch. Guys, the fish is getting fried today, and I'm just waiting for the fish to be done, and then I will have my lunch. Yes, so yeah. So I'll just have my lunch and then I will see you. Hey guys, okay, so it's evening time, and after a good nap I'm back. So this is a small garden of mine, okay. And I have actually purchased these 3 plants a few days back, and I don't know what is wrong with them. They are just broken like this, so I have to repot them, and I was thinking of doing that today. So yes, so these are the 3. These are the zebras, white and peach color, somewhat like peach color it is, and I have also bought a red rose. So I'll just repot these plants, okay, and then have to water them. Watering my plants is another routine of my evening time that I follow every day. So yes, let's do it. guys, I have watered my plants and I have also repotted the 3 plants that I purchased a week ago. It's already 7:30 now. So here I'm ending the vlog, guys, because at night there's nothing else to be done. So I'll just take my shower, I'll do the prayer and then have my dinner and then go to sleep. So I don't think I have to record anything of that sort. So guys, I hope you will like this vlog, and since this is my first vlog, I hope I have not done any mistakes, and even if I have done any mistakes, then please forgive me, guys, because I'm not experienced with vlogging. So guys, this was all about this vlog. I hope you will definitely like this vlog, and if you haven't liked my video yet, then please do like my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe to my channel. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Insta and Facebook. The link will be given in the description box. So thank you all for watching, and be safe. Good night. Bye bye.